In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your captain's license in Florida. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the general steps for you to acquire a captain's license in Florida. You will need to meet specific requirements set by the U.S. Coast Guard and, depending on your intended use, potentially the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, so the FWC. You can find all of the most up-to-date information regarding all of this by going over to myfwc.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of the categories that they have available, but I'm still going to talk about the process in this video. So, the general overview. First, determine the type of license. See if you want an operator of uninspected passenger vessel, so OUPV, or a six-pack license. This is the most common license for recreational boaters who want to carry up to 6 paying passengers. Next, you have the master or mate licenses. These licenses are required for larger commercial vessels or those carrying more passengers. For the actual requirements, you need to be at least 18 years old, you need to be a U.S. citizen or legally authorized to work in the U.S., and you need to document at least 360 days of sea service, with 90 days within the past 3 years. Pass a physical exam and drug test, and obtain a TWIC card, a Transportation Working Identification Credential. Next, complete a certified first aid and CPR course, and you will be able to get it done. So all of the information, like I mentioned, is going to be available here. If you go over to the license and permits option, you will be able to browse through all of the categories. So you will have stuff like commercial saltwater, commercial freshwater, charter operators and guide, and so on. So you can click on any of these to get the most up-to-date information. You will be able to see all of the licenses listed, the application forms, and the fees included. You will need to enroll in a Coast Guard approved course to prepare for the licensing exam, and these courses cover topics like navigation, rules of the road, marine safety, and vessel operations. Once you pass the written exam administered by the Coast Guard, you will have to submit your application. You need to fill out the necessary application forms and submit them to the National Maritime Center, NMC. So when you arrive at this page, you will be able to get it done. On the National Maritime Center, you will be able to provide all of the necessary documents and, if applicable, obtain a Florida Charter Captain license. So if you plan to operate a charter boat in Florida, you will also need the specific license that I mentioned from the FWC. Sadly, I can't cover this entire process in this video. I'm trying to give you a general overview just so you are aware, but this is everything that you need to know before applying. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your captain's license in Florida. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.